Okay, so I already have my eyebrows done and I have my eyelids primed. To fill in my eyebrows, I use the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and then on top of that, I use the Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit. And to clean up the eyebrows and then also prime my eyelids, I use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Whew, Chile, that was a lie. I'm ugly. To be honest, I never do my eyebrows on like camera because I feel like I can't do my eyebrows unless I'm like this, and I'm not gonna pay attention to see if you guys can actually see what's going on. So I'd rather just do it beforehand. And honestly, like as you can, like these are not my eyebrow shapes, you know. And every single time I do my eyebrows, it's a whole different shape. So it's better for y'all just to not see what's going on and then see the finished product and then move on. Also, my face is red, like super red, because I tried out this new mask. It's the Farmhouse Fresh Pajama Paste, and it smells like literally the pecan pinwheels from, what is it called? Little Debbie. And I feel like it has like some kind of cinnamon in it because it really burned my skin whenever I put it on. So now my face is like really red, especially right here and like on my nose and my forehead, which my forehead is usually never red, so I'm really confused. But usually I really like Farmhouse Fresh show, so I'm like really confused, but it be like that sometimes. So first I'm gonna unfortunately start off with the Party Animal palette by Laura Lee. And I'm going to be using the shade It's a Party. And I'm taking it on this Morphe E27 brush. I'm using this kind of sort of as like more of a neon base for the next yellow that I'm going to use. Now I'm going to be taking the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm picking up the color Flower on the same exact brush and just putting it kind of sort of below this original yellow. To add some orange, I'm going to be picking up the same, whatever the heck her name is, palette, and I'm going to be picking up the shade Drinks. Honestly, these names are cheesy. And this is a MB45 from Morphe. And I'm kind of just doing the exact same thing that I did with It's a Party. The only reason that I feel like those names are like annoying is because I can hear her saying it. And her voice is already so annoying. Her is Laura Lee. If I thought I'm doing an orange makeup look and I work at Hooters and I'm working today. And now I'm taking the 35M from Morphe, and I'm picking up this kind of this burnt tangerine kind of shade. These do have names, but it's kind of really stupid how they have like the film on top. Like this really pathetic piece of plastic. So this is called Fired Up. Like, if you're gonna have names and all you're gonna do is this, that's a big waste of my fucking time. And then I'm gonna be mixing in the same shade, Drinks, the little orange shade, with Karma from the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm taking it on the little fluffy Kylie brush that comes with her like palettes. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease with the same concealer, the MAC Pro Longwear, and I'm taking the Bare Minerals Max Coverage Concealer Brush, And I want to do like a cut crease, but I want to do it like where it's rounded out so it stops here, because I do want to do glitter. And I find it really hard when I do glitter and I don't like stop it at a certain point, so like I can't really blend glitter into like genuine chunky glitter into just regular eyeshadow. So now I'm going to take the 35B from Morphe and then just pick up the shimmer yellow and put it on my lid. This is just like basically just a base for the glitter that I'm going to put on in a second. So next for glitter, I'm going to be taking this Jazzy Glitters Chunky Glitter Mix. It's like, let me show you from the back. It's like an orangey yellow kind of mix. And for your glitter glue, I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm going to be taking it on this crown brush. It's like really tiny, it's like a little detail, probably like a lip brush. And then with this BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, I'm just going to be sticking her on. So I'm just going to move on to the skin now. First, I'm going to take the MAC Prep and Prime. Oh. You know, this is Fix Plus, bro. Like, I'm going to spray this everywhere except my eyes. For my face, I'm really just going to rush through it because, like, honestly, this is the same stuff that I do every single time that I've even filmed using basically the same products. I completely forgot, not like I forgot. I ran out of setting powder a week ago and I still haven't bought any. So for my setting powder, I'm going to take this IBY Beauty highlighting palette and highlight and contouring palette, and I'm just going to take the highlight 1 and 2 on a Real Techniques setting brush. You know, I was kind of scared to wear this look to work, but honestly, what are they finna do? Send me home? I want to go home. Toodles! Now, for blush, I'm gonna go into the Alamar Cosmetics blush trio. I'm really scared to use this one because I feel like I would look like a complete orange since I already really overdo it with bronzer. So I'm just gonna go in with Scorcher and Paraíso. Now to go back into my eyes for a little second, I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm taking this kind of green shade. Not kind of green because it's literally green, but I'm going to be taking the green shade. And I'm going to be taking it on this pencil brush from Luxie. It is a mini round brush from 41. And with this Avon brush, I'm going to be taking this shade. It's kind of shimmery, but I don't care. And I'm going to be blending out that green a little bit. With the same green, the original green, I'm going to be taking it into my inner corner. And I'm going to be mixing it in with the other green that I kind of blended it out with. Just mixing it just to like have a base for the inner corner highlight. And then on top of that, for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm going to be picking up the emerald one, and I'm going to take a Luxie mini flat angler. This is the 171. And for lip liner, I'm going to be taking the Bodyography Barely There lip pencil. And the lipstick I'm going to be using, which is like the entire reason why I did this look. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty lipstick, the Popsicle, in this shade Sun Snatched. It's like this cute orange shade. And now for mascara, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And for setting spray, the Fix Plus again.